Today we will prepare together some buttery, crumbly, and delicious biscuits, perfect to enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. Ingredients: 350 grams of 00 flour, 200 grams of granulated sugar, 250 grams of softened butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line a baking tray with parchment paper to prevent the biscuits from sticking during baking. In a large bowl, work the softened butter with the granulated sugar using an electric whisk or a stand mixer. Continue mixing until you get a fluffy and creamy mixture. Add the egg and the vanilla extract to the butter and sugar mixture. Mix well until you obtain a homogeneous dough. In another bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, and pinch of salt. This step helps to avoid lumps in the dough. Gradually, add the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and salt, to the bowl with the butter, sugar, and egg mixture. Mix until you get a soft and uniform dough. Take small amounts of dough and form them into balls with your hands, each the size of a walnut. Place the dough balls on the prepared tray, leaving some space between each ball to allow the biscuits to expand during baking. Gently press the dough balls with a fork to give the biscuits a slightly flat shape and a decorated surface. Bake the biscuits for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Baking times may vary depending on the oven, so check the biscuits regularly to avoid burning. Once baked, remove the biscuits from the oven and let them cool completely on a rack before transferring them to a box or serving. If you want to give an extra touch to your butter biscuits, you can add grated lemon or orange zest to the dough for a delicate citrus aroma. Additionally, you can decorate the biscuits with powdered sugar or colored icing to make them even more inviting and suitable for parties.